Hello everyone. I welcome to my channel Mother's Touch to help your loving ones to read fast.
Let's have a look how to use the prepositions in, on, at with respect to time. In. In is always in general. In is used with century, year. We are living in 21st century. My father bought this house in 1986. Month. How many days in August month? Morning, afternoon, evening. My mom used to have a nap in the afternoon. It is used also in past, present and future. In the past, I studied hard at school. Seasons. In spring, I feel really positive. A recap. The usage of the preposition in with respect to time. In can be used before century. In 21st century. In can be used before year. In 2023. In can be used before month. In October. In can be used before morning, afternoon and evening. In the morning. In used before past, present and future. In can be used before seasons. In summer, in winter, etc. The usage of the preposition on with respect to time. On can be used before dates. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is used before days. No shop opens on Sundays. It is used before occasional days. My friend's wedding day is on Valentine's Day. We go on holiday in May. On Diwali day, all enjoy the work at night. A recap. The usage of on with respect to time is for dates, days, and occasional days. Let's now know about the preposition at with respect to time. At is used for a specific time. That is, we use at for a clock time. The school starts at 9:30 a.m. This year, Christmas falls at the weekend. I woke up at night because of nightmare. Sun is pleasant at sunrise. Birds are back to their nests at sunset. Don't call me at night. We start our exams at the same time. We go to the riverside at the weekend. A recap. At is used for a specific time.
I hope you like Mother's Touch. So click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.